Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this cute cat eye cloud rainbow set. So if you want to see how I did it, just keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with peel off base coat so the nails just pop off. I did not prep my natural nails because I didn't want to continuously buff them every week. I am going in to chemically etch the underside of the nails with some protein bond, and then I'm just going to go straight in with application. I'm going to start off with the gel on the underside of the nail, and then I'm just going to apply it to the cuticle area, press it down until the gel reaches the free edge, and flash cure. And for this one, the gel did not reach the center portion of my natural nail. My eponychium is super long and I try to keep my nails as short as possible. So the center part of my nail is a lot longer than the outer edges. So I just added a little bit of extra gel and then pushed it down with the silicone tool. Once all of the nails are applied and flash cured, I'm just going to cure them in the full-size lamp. And then I'm going to go in and remove the shine with my sanding band. Once the shine is removed from all the nails, I'm just going to go in with my 5-in-1 bit and seal the cuticle. And then I'm going to take one step further and seal the cuticle with a brush dipped in acetone. So I applied 2 different base coats and cure in between, and then I'm just going to go in with a different cat eye color on every nail and ombre it except for the center nail, that dark blue, since it was so dark and pigmented. The ombre didn't really look good. So I'm just going to do 2 coats of each of these colors. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of that same nude base coat and apply it to the center of the nail where the ombre meets, and just kind of fan that out with my brush a little bit. So I'm going to apply some gold foil to each of the nails, but for the center blue nail, I'm going to apply that before the clouds because I want it to be underneath of the clouds and along the line where the blue is, since this is the only one that is not ombre. And I'm just adhering this with the tackiness of the gel polish. So for the clouds, I'm just going to go in with a dotting tool and I'm going to apply an odd number of dots, either 3 or 5. And then I'm just going to fill it in roughly with that same dotting tool. And I'm going to do about 2 to 4 on every nail. And then once the clouds are on, I'm just going to go in with a sponge. Sorry, you can't really see it here. My cat broke my holder for the sponges, but you're just going to go in with a sponge and kind of fan out the bottom of the clouds so they look more natural. And then I am taking that leftover white and kind of like spreading it on the rest of the nail in different spots so it can look like more like sporadic spread out clouds. And then I'm gonna go in and apply some stars at random as well, about 2 to 3 on every nail. So once all of the clouds are done, the clouds and the stars, I'm just going to go in with some foil at random again. It's not going to be like the middle nail along the line. It's just going to be random little pieces. And again, I'm just adhering this with the tackiness of the polish that's already there. So once the foil is applied to all of the nails, I'm just going in with a thin layer of base coat. And this is just on, not the full nail, just places where I want to adhere some glitter. And then I'm going to go right in with glitter without curing. For this first glitter, it had chunky and fine pieces of glitter. And the chunky glitter was darker, like the middle finger, and the fine glitter was more of the tone of the ring finger. So I kind of like just separated it as I applied it to the nail. But I'm just going in directly with the glitter on that wet base coat, and then I'm going to cure all of the nails for the full time. Once all of the glitter is fully cured, I'm just going in with some rhinestone gel on the center of the stars, and I'm just going to apply some small crystals. I don't know the size, but I'm just applying those to the center of the star, and I'm flash curing in between so they don't move around. And then again, I'm going to do a full cure and then top coat. And this is how the nails turned out. I think they're super cute. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you have any video suggestions. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.